In this video, I'm going to test the yellow page scraper from LeadSniper because it resolves one of the biggest pain point for marketers where we want to find local business leads to offer digital marketing services, and we need to provide any kind of services. We need to find a way to collect the leads. There are several ways to do it. One is yellow pages scraper, but the problem is we don't want to use a subscription or work with limited service providers who get this list. What exactly? In this video, I'm going to be testing Yellow Pages Scraper from LeadSniper because marketers, we know we want to have a powerful B2B scraping solution. I don't want to use a subscription because that is limited by the results and I need to keep repaying it. That's why this interested me. I'm going to be testing this solution because it is a Chrome extension and Edge. It works on Edge browser as well. It is one-time lifetime subscription and there is no recurring fees and you can scrape unlimited as you want. I'm going to be testing its effectiveness, whether how easy it is to start using it and what kind of results it gives you. And I'll just give you some tips also to how to go about offering various marketing services for this lead aid. Just a bonus tip at the end of the video. So it is very easy to get started. You can go into the website. I will leave the link in the description. You can have the free trial option also, so you don't need to purchase before even testing it. Only if you like, you can consider it. Otherwise, you can just go into that and start downloading it and using it. You get around 40 credits. So free trial is a good option to test it out. All the features are in the landing page. You can look into it, but we are going to be definitely checking out as it is right now directly. So this is the extension icon look like. So we have covered so far about their Google Map scraper and Google search scraper. Those videos are in the channel. If you're interested, you can look into it. This is for specifically yellow pages. We all know that yellow pages is a biggest B2B directory where we can find all sort of leads. So this is utilize that. So you can see it works with USA, UK, Canada, Germany, Switzerland, South Korea, and Australia and Italy. So if you want to find B2B clients within these countries, then good. If it's out of that, this extension might not be suitable for you. So you can see I'll select yellow pages here, and here is where I enter my B2B niche target audience keyword. It can be any business which you are going to be targeting. Enter that. So let me go with the standard one. So the plumbers. So I put plumber here and I said give her the new the locations of whichever the cities which I want to target, states, all these things. So what essentially it will do is it will combine both of this. So you can see I have entered one and one. So if I go about entering another keyword also, let's say for example water repair or something like that, then it will have two keywords with this. So I'll keep on adding more these things and I can it keeps on compounding the search amount. So enter as much as location you want. In this example, I'm going to be keeping it simple, plumber and New York, and just click on start scraping, nothing else. It is no setup involved. You just, when you have purchased the thing, you just install it here. And I was testing another also, it was working fine. If you are doing lot of scrapers, let's say for example you are doing very bulk amount, there is a chance that yellow pages will hit you with a CAPTCHA service. That in that time you can manually solve it and it will resume, or they do have options such as 2 CAPTCHA. These are CAPTCHA services where you buy credits and you only use points when you actually need it. So when there is a CAPTCHA, you don't need to be practically here to solve it. It will just look into it and grab that CAPTCHA and solve it and keep on continuing. And also you can see it is not running on any cloud service or anything. So it's running on our extension. So it is a positive and negative as well. Positive, we have the total control. It is staying on our browser as it is. You might scrape too much, you might get some proxy issues. So in that case, you can use a VPN. I'll leave out a good VPN link also description. If you want to check it out, you can do that. So you can see it is still scraping. So that is what it does. It just goes into it, set the location and the keyword which as we did, and it just scrolls through it, and you can see it is starting to find the details. As it is finding, it will keep on increasing that lead count. So lead count you can see here, and duration it's stored, and if it's find any duplicate ship, it will let me know when that duplicate will be more, because if we are using multiple keywords and everything, we might see duplicate location. So that is also automatically done. So you can see now it is gone up to 30. I think this is a good place to start, but it's keep on scrolling. Since we didn't mention any limits or anything like that, so just I'm going to be pressing on pause, and you can see I can pause the scraping. So if I keep on scraping, I think let's say for example 50 or 60, I want to be safe, I can pause it. Then after a couple of minutes or 5 minutes, I can keep continuing scraping also. That is a bonus tip. We can see a data dashboard or export the results. I'm going to be pausing and stopping it. So you can see it found 41 leads for me, and all I need to do is just click on export, and it says like 41, what is the unique item you want to do. In this case, unique page URL, or if it's let's say I'm saying something like phone number. So even if the business has multiple listing, they might have one phone numbers, we can get the unique by phone number. You can get export all the field it scrape, which is what I recommend you to do. You can delete it easily within Excel, or if you're only looking for specific field, you can do that as well. Or if you are only interested in export as one column, then you can do that. Where if you have a VA, you just scrape something and get their calling numbers, and you want to call them and reach out to a service, probably you need only a mobile number details. So I'll select Excel file, and you can see it is downloaded. So as soon as I open it, now let's see what are the data it's provide. Previously I was working with another example, so that data is here. I should have refreshed it, sorry about that. But let's look into the section below. So here it shows the location, it shows the actual address, and it shows the business name, which is good, and it shows the longitude, latitude. These are good. So you can see all the data which is available here. Is let me go into the most important ones. So first it is taking me all the mobile numbers. So you can see there is no blank mobile number, which is the best one. Good. We can call, reach out to them, and if you can see the rating also been grabbed. So review count, rating, if it has a very low rating, and if you are offering online reputation management service, you can pitch them that. And you can go into website. If you find listings without website, you can offer website designing service. If you find websites without very bad designs, you can offer that also. You have the details, social media URL, all the data are coming through. So whatever it has, it automatically brings you that data in an Excel sheet. So that is how easy to use this service, this extension. I will leave the link in the description. So if you are interested, you can check it out.